Hello, my name is Errol, and I'll be showing you the property 7612 Forest City Road, Unit 25, and this is located in Orlando, Florida. Alright, so let's step inside. So when you come inside, you go into your living room. Then right after the living room, we have your dining room. So we pass the kitchen, we pass the dining room. There's a linen closet over here. And then on your left is your first bedroom. Here's your bathroom. So we are actually in your master. So this is the master bathroom. And then here's the master closet. Hope you were able to get a good sense of the home and the layout. This is a 2-2 in Orlando. The address is 7612 Forest City Road, number 25. Thank you for coming.